I need to be frank. Not polished. Not politically acceptable, just honest. Speaking from these eyes, this heart, this lived experience. Tell me, are you attaching or extracting? I don't know. Truthfully, I don't know who or if to trust while living in the possession of our captors. History got rhythm. I've heard this composition. First comes the smile, then the gift, then the compliment, then the invitation. Then somehow our culture leaves our hands and comes back wearing somebody else's edition. No longer ours. Now it's everybody's mission. Study us, imitate us, learn our language, borrow our cadence, repeat our talking points back to us, until imitation becomes admission and admission becomes access. Trust me. This isn't hate. I don't think hate ever found a home in me. I hesitate because hesitation has kept me awake. The book taught me to treat the stranger like a brother, but that was in our land. When the stranger journeyed through our gates now, we're the strangers inside yours, and many of you, not all, haven't exactly opened the doors, yet I'm still expected to answer bitterness with grace, offer dignity where I wasn't given space, return blessing where history returned bruises to my face. How many times do I turn the other cheek? I've been turning it for a jubilee. And then some 400 years already standing behind me before my story had even begun. So one more time. I don't hate anyone, but give us a moment, just a moment. Let us enjoy our tribe. No prying eyes, no borrowed voices, no cultural tour guides, no audience, just family. Remembering family, Muhammad Ali said it, and somehow it still rings. 10,000 people can wear the same face while playing 10,000 different games. So while Esau's kingdom writes today's headlines, I fight every day to maintain a balanced, righteous frame. Not rage, not shame, not blame, just a disciplined flame. So let me say it plain. My labor is focused on my people, the original, not the add-ons, not the spectators, not the sympathizers looking for another seat, not those who somehow keep appearing, where colonizing becomes gentrifying and gentrifying becomes ownership, while calling it equality. Some don't even know the role they inherited inside the machinery. Some attack with open hands, others weaponize misunderstanding. Some strike boldly, others master the language of victimhood. Different masks, same stage, different script, same page, and still I refuse to surrender my humanity. Because if I become what wounded me, then the wound collects to victory. So I pray for discernment greater than suspicion, wisdom greater than fear, boundaries without bitterness, truth without hatred, enough courage to recognize those who came to build and those who only came to borrow. God, help us.